Today I'm going to be working on my 2009 Ford Ranger XLT. Currently the rear brakes are stuck, so I'm just going to take the back wheels off and diagnose what the problem is. So far, this brake drum is rusted right together. I have two options. Either soak this and hope it comes off, give it some taps, or heat it up, then tap it. We're gonna have to give it some heat. Well, I got it back together. And that was quite a job to unstick these brakes, but I believe I got it. Alright, let's test it out and go for a ride. Oh, much better. Much better indeed.